How to install Ripple Fold Drapery with Snap Tape Wall Mount LORA Track. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the curtain set, including accessories needed. Here is the track kit, including accessories for installation. These are the tools you will need for the installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Measure the length of the window. Determine the exact length. Cut the track to any length if needed. Caution: cut carefully. Use the internal connector to join tracks. Connect at the uncut end. Push the track sections together firmly. Place the carriers into the track in the order they were bound. Note: before inserting the last carrier, the outermost one, slide the flat end stop into the track first. Then insert the final carrier. Position the flat end stop where needed and secure it in place. Remove the metal hook from end cap with a screwdriver. Secure the plastic washers to the end cap. Finally, fit the end caps onto both sides of the track and secure them with screws. Your track is now fully assembled. Place the track at the desired position on the wall. Use a spirit level to ensure the track is perfectly horizontal. Use a marker to mark the mounting positions for brackets. Drill holes at the marked positions with a driver. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the wall mounting bracket with screws. Repeat the same steps to install the remaining brackets. Clip the track onto the mounted brackets. That completes the wall installation of the LORA track. Clip the first 2 tape snaps on the curtain into the same snap slot. Then continue attaching each tape snap to its corresponding snap slot. The last 2 tape snaps should also be clipped into the final snap slot. Hang the panel by securing each snap slot onto the carriers. Finally, arrange the drapery into a smooth S-fold wave. The installation process for a center-open setup follows the same steps as single panel, but requires overlap carriers. First, remove the track from the brackets. Remove the carriers, end stops, and end stops from track. Take out the carriers and flat end stop included in your curtain package. Clip the end clips of each carrier set into the white slot at the tail of each overlap carrier. Then insert one overlap carrier together with its carrier set into the track in order. Note: before inserting the last carrier, the outermost one, slide the flat end stop into the track. Then insert the final carrier. Position the flat end stop and secure it in place. Place the second overlap carrier and its carrier set into the track the same way. Reattach the end caps on both ends. Reclip the track onto the mounted brackets. Clip the first 2 tape snaps on the curtain into the same snapper slot. Continue attaching each tape snap to its corresponding snap slot. Leave the last 3 tape snaps unattached for now. These will be connected to the overlap carrier. Hang the panel by securing each snap slot onto the carriers. Clip the final 3 tape snaps to the overlap carrier. Finally, Arrange the drapery into a smooth S-fold wave. A wand, sold separately, is available as an optional accessory for center-open operation. Simply hang the pull wand on the hook at the bottom of the overlap carrier. Your ripple fold drapery with snap tape is now fully installed.